Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your TikTok voice effects are missing or not showing up when you try to edit a video, it is usually caused by an incorrect recording method, a corrupted cache, or an outdated app version. I will show you exactly how to restore these missing audio filters right now. Let's get started. First, we need to ensure you are using the correct recording method because TikTok often hides voice effects if you upload a pre-recorded video from your camera roll. Open the app, tap the plus button to start a new post, and record your video directly using the native TikTok camera. Once you finish recording and hit the check mark, tap on the voice or audio editing tool on the right side menu to see if the effects populate correctly. Next, if the effects are still missing while recording natively, you must clear the temporary data that might be causing a glitch in the editing interface. Go to your TikTok profile, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down the menu to find Free Up Space and tap the Clear button next to your cache to force the app to refresh its downloaded filters. Finally, because TikTok frequently rolls out new voice filters through server-side updates, you must verify that your application is not running on an outdated version. Open your device's App Store or Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and tap Update to install the latest official bug fixes. Once the update completes, completely close the app from your phone's background task manager and relaunch it to securely connect to the newest features. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.